Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use a license key in Gumroad. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to gumroad.com. Once you're there, log into your account. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can manage all your products and settings. Now, in the left panel of your screen, locate and click on Products. This will take you to a page displaying all the digital products you've created and currently have listed on your Gumroad account. It's where you manage everything related to your offerings, from pricing to content delivery. From your product list, click on the specific product you want to work with. This will open up the detailed settings and options for that particular product, allowing you to customize how it's delivered to your customers. Once you're inside the product page, navigate to the top menu and click on Content. This section is where you control what files, links, and additional materials are included with your product when customers make a purchase. It's essential for managing exactly what your buyers receive. Next, in the top menu, click on Insert and then select License Key from the options that appear. This feature allows you to add unique license keys to your product, which is particularly useful for software, digital tools, or any product that requires activation or authentication. By inserting a license key, you ensure each customer gets their own unique identifier. Now navigate to the license key section you just added. Right beside it, you'll see a small drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal additional options related to your license key management. This menu gives you quick access to various actions you can perform with the license key. Finally, click the Copy button. This instantly copies the license key to your clipboard, making it ready to paste wherever you need it, whether that's in a customer email, documentation, or your own records. And that's it. You've successfully copied your license key from Gumroad and can now use it for product activation or customer distribution. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.